So here's the buffet. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm great. Just great. Oh, ma'am, can I get some more butter?
Word of advice. When you hit Formica, stop.
You know the expression, falling off the wagon, Lee? This is what it looks like.
Yeah, but you got 20 or 30 pounds of food to break your fall. What the hell happened?
Bad morning. Preceded by 33 bad years.
Does this have something to do with Gwen?
Of course not. I love my sister. I love everything about her. Kiki? Kikikins? Who's smoking? I smell smoke. Is someone smoking within a 6-mile radius of where I'm standing? Stop them, Kiki. Stop them. Oh, ma'am, the butter? What, are they out of butter? How can you run out of butter?
Well, I have one theory.
You know what? I need an assistant. Because if I had an assistant, she would be outside right now milking a cow, and I would never, ever run out of butter. Oh, Kiki, my butter has touched another food. I need new butter. Anything you want, honey? That's the way it goes, Lee. Right? You're a publicist. You know anything they want, right? She's got a green dress. Looks like crap on her. Brings out the circles under her eyes. She knows it. I know it. She gave it to me. It actually looks pretty nice on me. And then she said, well, maybe she wanted it back. You know what I mean? She doesn't want it. She doesn't want me to have it. That's the truth.
So what is it? You're in love with Daddy?
Wouldn't that be stupid?
Kiki, I have done every one of their movies. I've never seen him look at her the way he's been looking at you. And if you're in love, you should just go for it. The way you went for this breakfast. Not the way you went for the breakfast. It's, you know...
I think I'm going to be sick and just